Yeah, boy. About to wreck you. Sorry, I had to diss myself. This is what you get, Jaden. Your squad. Here we go. You have been vlogging for a year. Yep. But I hope next year you will disappear. Your vlogging channel is so cringy. It makes all the kids who watch it wimpy. Yes, I don't even know what to do. Nope. Please just take this channel off YouTube. I promise to say that I wish I could. And he only has one friend. Is he good? Nope. And he had his beef with Jason in the past. Please just let this fight be the last. I bet you he's not even built. He's probably as built as a quilt. You have 300 subs, we don't care. The only thing good you did was shave your hair. What's up, Boop Squad? Get rid of that catchphrase. And if you did, it would really make my day. Here we go, time for the second verse. I'm about to roast Jaden so bad in this verse. Ready? Here we go. You are so ugly, just put on a mask. Hopefully one of these days will be your last. And what happened to your daily vlogs? They have gotten as useless as a pile of logs. And why'd you let a person take over your channel? They deleted all your vlogs, now it's dismantled. Now I'm almost done with the song. All I can say is, rip the Wolf Squad.